Gann square of 9. How will it will work? For this, you required following things. For 45 degree, the factor is 0.25. 90 degree 0.50, 135 0.75. For 180 degree is 1. 225 degrees 125, and 270 degree 150, and 315 degree 1.75, and 360 degree 2. For example, for resistance calculation, if the stock low price is 100, take the square root of 100 is 10. For 40 degree factor is 25. This one, 10 plus 2.5 is equal to 10.25. Square it, it is 105. This is the 45 degree resistance. For support calculations, if the stock price is 100, square root 10. For 40 degree factor is 25. 10 minus 25 is equal to 9.75. 9.75 multiplied by 9.75 is equal to 95. The 95 is the support for the shares price. If you want to calculate 90, then factor is 0.5.